Need a professional presentation in record time? Let's see how Gamma AI can help you create one in just 2 minutes. Open your browser and search for Gamma AI. Once the search results appear, click on the first link at the top of the list. On the Gamma website, sign up using your Gmail account to get started. During the setup, Gamma will guide you through a quick onboarding process. Select your use case, why you're using Gamma. Choose your work case, your field of work. Specify what you intend to do with Gamma, e.g., presentations, web pages, or documents. Once done, tap Finish to proceed. On the home page, locate and click the Generate button to start creating your presentation. In the description box, provide the topic or details for your presentation. Pro tip, Gamma can also help you create web pages and documents. After entering your topic, hit the Generate button. Gamma will analyze your input and present an outline for your presentation. Review the suggested outline and adjust the settings if needed. Once satisfied, click Continue. Next, choose a theme for your presentation. Gamma offers a variety of stunning and professional themes. Pick one that suits your style. Now, click Generate, and Gamma will start creating your presentation. Be patient. It only takes a couple of moments. Once your presentation is ready, carefully review each slide to ensure it meets your requirements. To download your presentation, click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Export As. Finally, choose Export as PowerPoint, and Gamma will download your presentation in a format ready for editing or sharing. And that's it. In just 2 minutes, you've created a professional-grade PowerPoint presentation, something that might have taken hours otherwise.